Wow, today we have slime! Slime! Make your own, and it has cool scents like blueberry, strawberry, and it's blue, pink, and it's so stretchy. Mix and make ooey gooey fun, and it includes everything you need. On this side, you can see that they're having so much fun. It's sticky, it comes with your bowls, clear slime, colorful slime. Let's open the box. So here's everything we need. It comes with slime activator, clear slime glue, another clear slime glue, a spoon, some wood, 2 plates, measuring cup, some lids, and of course our colors. It also comes with the directions on how to make the slime, and you can make 3 different colors, pink, blue, and purple. Let's start making it. It sounds like it's so much fun. To make the slime, we have to first take the clear glue. So all these are clear. So there are 2 of them. So take 1 and use the measuring cup and pour it to make 15 milliliters. So look for the measuring side that says 15 milliliters. There's 15, and let's pour it up to that line. So here we go, 15 milliliters, and let's pour it into a bowl. Here's a bowl, and use one of these sticks to get everything out. Okay, everything is inside the bowl. Now we must get water and fill it up to where it says 25 milliliters, which is around right here. And let's pour everything into this bowl. Okay, so after we put everything in there, let's measure about 1 spoonful of a color. So I'm gonna make some blue. Take this green spoon they gave me and let me measure and put 1 spoon of it inside. So the color is inside there, and let's mix it all up until everything is blended. Okay, everything is about blended. Now we gotta take the slime activator, so it says slime activator, and we measure 5 milliliters of it and slowly pour it into the bowl. Make sure not to stir it with your hands. So here's 5 milliliters, and let's pour it into the bowl. Make sure to use your stick and not your hands. And make sure you stir everything together. Wow, look at that! It's already getting so thick and slimy and sticky. So fun. Okay, it's just about slimy. When you see everything is all slimy, then you know it's okay to use your hands. Let's start using the slime. Wow, it's so sticky and fun. This is kind of crazy. So slimy. Ew. Look at that. It's so stretchy. You can do anything you want with it. Just look at how it pulls. And it smells like blueberries. It smells so good. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. You can make it roll around, but make sure it's not on fabric. Wow, look at that, and it's falling through my hands. This is crazy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like the slime.